Good day, viewers at home. We have a question on Surds, which also involves indices. We have to solve this equation and find the value of b. 14 root 2 plus root 8 equals 8 raised to the power b. Now, this is 14 root 2. We need to simplify root 8. We should find a perfect square that can divide 8, and that is 4. So, root 8 is the same thing as 4 multiplied by 2. Then, if you are to change this 8 to a base 2, we have 2 raised to the power 3b, because 8 is 2 raised to the power of 3. Then that 3 with b, that is 3b. So now we have 14 root 2 plus square root of 4 is 2. So we'll bring it out. We'll bring out the square root of 4, which is 2. Then we are left with only 2 in the roots, equals 2 raised to the power 3b. 14 root 2 plus 2 root 2, that is 16 root 2, equals 2 raised to the power of 3b. So 16 is 2 raised to the power of 4 multiplied by root 2 is 2 raised to the power of 1 over 2 equals 2 raised to the power 3b. And you know, from the first law of indices, we are multiplying two numbers with the same base. You simply add the powers. So you have 2 raised to the power 4 plus half equals 2 raised to the power 3b. So now 4 plus half, that is 4 and a half, equals 2 raised to the power 3b. So now that the bases are equal, then the powers are also equal. That means 4 and a half equals 3b. If I change this, if I convert 4 and a half to an improper fraction, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, that is 9 over 2 equals 3b. So cross multiply. 2 multiplied by 3b is 6b, then equals 9. Now divide both sides by 6. So if we divide both sides by 6, we can see that our b will now be 3 in 9 is 3, 3 in 6 is 2. That is 3 over 2. Or we can express it as 1 and a half. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.